All right, $1,000,000 question. What do you want to eat for dinner tonight?
Well, if I could have anything,
Yeah?
I'd have Bengal BBQ from Disneyland.
Ooh, that sounds so good.
Yeah, the bacon wrapped asparagus.
Oh yeah, the chicken skewers with the pineapple sauce.
Yeah, all the different types of vegetables on the vegetable skewer.
Oh, my mouth is watering. That sounds really good. But Disneyland is closed.
I have an idea.
What?
Why don't you make the barbecue and I'll make the atmosphere?
I like that idea.
Yeah, and we'll meet back in 10.
Better make it 15.
All right.
What do you think?
Good.
Do you like this tiger sign?
Yeah.
Do you want it to be in your room, or do you want to leave it out here?
Want it to be in my room.
You want it to be in your room?
Yeah.
It was meant to go in your room, but Daddy made it a little too big. Well, yeah, isn't it kind of big to go in your room? You think it fits just right? We'll probably end up putting this in the kitchen, not leaving it outside. But we just have it out here while we're cooking. So it makes us feel like we're barbecuing, like at the park. Are you excited to have some skewers?
Yeah, they're gonna be so good.
Look at the size of that skewer. That thing is huge. What are you gonna make with that thing? It looks more like a spear than a skewer. You just need to start stabbing full vegetables right out of the refrigerator drawer with that thing. Like a hunting spear.
Oh, wow.
Hey, Harrison, are you gonna catch a tiger with that spear?
No, just some vegetables.
Just some vegetables? Okay. What are you cooking?
A potato.
Nice. Yeah, instead of cooking marshmallows on a stick, you're cooking vegetable skewers. Boy, that potato's gonna turn out awesome.
Yeah.
We need to get some more vegetables on that big old skewer.
Yeah, so.
What do you think?
It's chewy, Mama. Oh, well, bacon came off. That's good.
Hey, that sauce tastes good.
Yeah, tastes just like it, huh?
Check this out.
Whoa.
Did you try this yet?
Yeah, I did. I
God.
sneaked a bite.
It tastes just like it.
I know it
It
does.
don't necessarily look like the
No.
sauce, but it tastes just like
Yeah.
it. You know, the one at the park has that red
Yeah,
tint?
it is from Disney, so.
Nice. Cheers.
Hey, there's more.
Thank you guys so much for watching. watching us do the process of making our Bengal barbecue sign.
Yes.
Yeah.
I hope you
And
guys
I
enjoyed it.
really-
We're getting ready to enjoy some more food right
And
now.
I really like it.
But we're super excited.
Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Thank you so much for cooking this.
Yes. Well, thanks so much for making the new sign.
That's so good.
It turned out so good. All right, you guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.